Hi and assalamu alaikum everybody, this is Madiha and you're watching Madiha's Food Odyssey, and I've got a special guest on the show today. It's my eldest son. He wanted to make cookies with me and I'll be making some double chocolate chip cookies with him. So those lovely hands are of my son's. I have got some butter, 2 types of sugar, brown and plain caster sugar, which we are going to cream together. As you can see, Bazni he wanted to do it so much with me, and I've got 1 egg going in and we're going to cream it until it's light and fluffy. It's super simple. It can be done within 5 minutes if you've got everything ready. The butter has to be super soft, not melted but really soft. Then we've got some vanilla essence, about a tablespoon of vanilla essence. He likes it, so I've got like loads of it in it. And then I'm going to scrape the bowl, bring everything together, give it a good mix, and then we will be adding flour and obviously our raising agent. The soda bicarb goes in. Guys, do let me know how's your Ramadan prep going on, how's things going on, and if you'd like to learn anything in particular, just let me know. Do like and subscribe if you haven't done so, otherwise marona shuru kar dena. Please like it and subscribe it. Come on guys, give it a good push so that I can create good content for you and I continue doing it. Otherwise my husband was like, "Kar baja un bas kar de." So I've added a pinch of salt as well, which is sea salt, and I've got 2 types of chocolate, a dark and the milk chocolate. The dark chocolate is about 72% cacao and the milk chocolate is 35% milk chocolate cacao. That's the cacao content, the cocoa content in it, not the percentage. It's half and half amount I've used. We're going to give it a good mix. It is a make and freeze recipe. That's why I'm telling you before Ramadan. I mean, we've got a very sweet tooth and it's perfect. Just make small portions out of it in shape of balls, little balls. Use a ice cream scooper that I'm going to show you how I do it, and we just freeze it. They keep really well in the freezer. Whenever you want to, just take them out straight from the freezer on the tray and bake it for 10 to 12 minutes, and they are perfect. They come out perfect with that really soft, chewy, ooey gooey center of melting chocolate. It's divine. Trust me, it's divine. After a day long of fast with a cup of tea and a warm biscuit, what else you want? Say Alhamdulillah that God has given you such blessings and ni'mat. So there you go. As you can see, I've frozen them already. They're in the freezer bag and I will take them out straight. I'm recycling my already used parchment paper, so you can't say that I don't recycle. Nothing goes to waste in my household. So they are frozen and I'm just sprinkling them with a little bit of sea salt to balance out all that sweetness. It's optional. If you want to do it, fine. No, fine, either way. And they are really hot. I can't even take them off the parchment paper, but they are absolutely gooey and chewy and delicious, unctuous. Look at that. I mean, look at the number of chocolate chips you can see. It's loaded with it. If you've got a sweet tooth, the savage sweet tooth as we've got, you are going to love this recipe. As it's kids friendly, I'm actually wrapping it for my kids' nursery school because I promised them I'm going to bring them some treats today. Right guys, the usual drill. If you like my video, do give it a thumbs up and do like and subscribe to my channel. Apni dua much yaad rakhna. You take care till the next video. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.